Alright, hey guys, Dr. Keen, just giving you a quick tutorial on how to set this up. You should have clicked the link on the assignment that says edpuzzle.com. It should have brought you here. If you've used this product before and you have an account, you just click login, you log in right there. If you've never done this before, then you click sign up right here. You say I'm a student, and if you have a Google account, go ahead and log in with your Google account. If not, you don't have to have an email or anything. You just click on sign up with Edpuzzle and it's going to ask you for a class code. I gave you the class code in the assignment right here. This may not be your class code because I'm doing this for a couple different classes, but there's the code right there. You go to Edpuzzle, you put that in, and then it's going to bring you here. Put your information in there, first name, last name, username. Like I said in the instructions, please use your first name or your last name first, first name last, just like that. So if this was my username, I would make it Keen Kevin. Create a password that was going to work for you, click join class, and you are good to go.